right, this is our Probat L12. We're gonna do a little video. Make sure this is good to go. This is up, our air is closed. Make sure our gas is open. It is open, very good. Let's go ahead and start the drive. Come right back here. See how the gas is doing. There she goes. Start it up. Very cool. Gas gauge. And I'll lower this a little bit. There we go. And let this bad boy warm up to temperature. And get roasting. There's a gauge there. Another gauge up here. Overall, the machine is in great shape. We just had it serviced last month, and she is working great. Alrighty, this is how she looks from this side. Well, let's see if we can get some of the video on some of the burners.